In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add more than one photo on your Instagram story in 2021. So this is fairly straightforward, so let's just get straight into it. What you want to do is go to your stories section, and then once you're on the create a story section, you can see a left-hand panel over there. And what you want to do is tap on the third option there with that little picture of the grid. And what that is the layout function of Instagram. It's fairly new. So tap on layout, and now you'll have the option to go ahead and upload more than one photo on your Instagram story. And you can see a small little rectangle button underneath this layout button. If you go ahead and tap on that, you can change it how you want it to look. So let's just say you want to include 2 pictures within your Instagram story. You can go ahead and do that by taking the first story right here. So I'll just take a quick photo. And for the second story, I can just do something like that. And just like that, I have 2 stories within my Instagram story. And it says you can tap to delete a photo or press and hold to move it. So if I would like to have the bottom one at the top, I press and hold onto it. And I can rearrange it just like that. So that is how you add more than one photo on your Instagram story in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.